We sing because we want to reconnect with our ancestors who were in the revolution. Thank you very much, comrades. My name is Wongibozi, Gift Education Makotakani. Comrades, I have one or two issues. I'm going to be very short like my underwear, but long enough to cover the basics. Comrades, ningakhohlwa ukuthi yini esizabalazela umzabalazo wethu bazokhipha laba zobakhipha vele. Umzabalazo wethu, umzabalazo wokuthi kumele kubuye imayini kumele zi-ownwe abantu abamnyama. We are sick and tired ukuba amaklina nama-security emayini. Sifuna ukuzi-owna imayini, silande bo-Rupert, silethe boChauke, boNkulu nabantu abamnyama bonkana ezweni lethu. Umzabalazo wethu uku-owna zonke izimpiko. Phecelezi, we want the ownership of all mineral resources. We must own copper, we must own gold, we must own diamond, we must own ocean economy, we must trade as black people, because this is the land of our forefathers. Singumthinzi wokuzimilela, leli yizwe lethu. Hayi nabelungu. Angisibadayisile abantu belifundisa ukuthi leli yizwe lelingabelungu. Leli yizwe lokhokho bethu. Kodwa asifanyanya belungu, asifuneki baxosha. Kodwa akushintshi ukuthi leli yizwe lethu elobaba omkhulu libhilonga kuthina. Ilanda leyo asibambisi. I-America bayixoshela kuma-Red Indians asibambisi. eGermany asibambisi. La yindaba kuthiwa South Africa belongs to all who live in it. Black and white, and we must share. Yet when you go to Germany, they say Germany belongs to Germany. When you go to America, America belongs to Americans. When you go to Russia, Russia belongs to Russians. South Africa, after we take power, it shall belong to the native people. Who are the native people? It is the African people. It is the black people. Comrades, Mascata, Lava Masvidal, Sizoposa Mawali Shots, Sifuna Ma EPWP, at Ashwin Jenna Basebenzi Abapele. Comrades, Sifuna Ma Security, Woke Akashiwe, Avenue Medical Aid, afford the medical aid. Kuma insecurity, kumele uziqhenye ngokuba insecurity, ngoba ungumsebenzi ofana nabo bonke abasebenzi. Comrades, abantu abaklinayo ema-office nasemabhizinisini amakhulu bayafana njengo-secretary, bayafana njengama-manager. All cleaners must have benefits who are exactly as those who are managers. Comrades, umzabalazo wethu uyakhuleka. La ngamakhansela angcolile ezawakhipha. Akungcolile amakhansela kuphela. Ungcole ngisho naye ubaba uKhawuda. Uma uyaphikisa emphuzukano labamfaka enkantolo. Ugcwele amantombazana abalala nawo la, bangcolisela i-ofisi. Uma ngina manga nazi badelepusa. Mangibasulela nazi badelepusa. Because for you to get a permanent post, for you to get a job, you must sleep with a counselor, you must sleep with Kaunda, you must sleep with some of them who are here for you to get a permanent job. As MK, we are going to close that as a matter of fact. You must not get a job because you sleep with Kaunda. You must get a job because you have a CV, you are hardworking, and you want to work and feed your family, not because you sleep around. SMK, umathatha power, asifuni ukulala namuntu, afunana bishelele nje mangibone into mbeke. Hayi ukuthi umsebenzisi isikhundla kuze ngithola umsebenzi. Bawesike laba ngoba balala namantombazana kuphela. Noma umbani njengenge bakhona phansi. Baphelile phansi. Comrades, Sikhiye comrades. Amabhizinisi awangatholwa ngokuthi ubhilonga kuliphi iqembu. Uma wenza ithenda, uma wenza ibhizinisi izomele ulithole on the basis of your work and on the basis of your presentation and on your basis of your beauty. Nepotism must come to an end. Favoritism must come to an end. Comrades, these are two comrades. We're only left with 6 days, 4 days before elections. Don't be scared, comrades. Don't feel tired, comrades. What makes me proud is that we went in Orlando when they closed us buses, when none of our members were left behind, when buses cancelled because of the ANC, but Orlando was full to capacity. Let them Zuma spoke to their people, and they saw we're not a president party. We are everywhere, SMK. They couldn't sleep. Namanje Ramaphosa kuza presidency. I have heard they thought we're not going to go to Orlando because they've been lying saying we're a Zulu party. We're proving it to them that we're not a Zulu party. We have Tswanas, we have Pedis, we have Shangalis, we have Tongas, we have all tribes, we have Xhosas under MK, because MK is an organization of the people. I didn't even like who I am. Comrades, Indians are black. When we oppressed during apartheid, it was Indians, colors, and blacks. And white people were this side. When you say an Indian here, an Indian is not lost. This is the home of Indians. Because we are Indians are one. But we don't want to see them full few. We want them, they must come in numbers. We want Indians to come in numbers because MK is the home of Indians, is the home of colors, is the home of blacks and progressive whites. So comrades, we are not a racial organization, but we understand our revolution. We understand where we come from. That is why we speak like this. Some say we speak like this because we're always angry. We're not angry. We are passionate. Sifuna ukubona ushintsho. Uphelile uketiyeze ezoloba bomkhulu. Siphile ngathi asiyilutho. Uma ufuna ukubona umuntu olambile, umuntu omnyama. Uma ufuna ukubona umuntu oyiphara, umuntu omnyama. Uma ufuna ukubona umuntu okhala njondolo, umuntu omnyama. Uma ufuna ukubona umuntu okhala ngazile, umuntu omnyama. Uma ufuna ukubona umuntu okhala ngekhukhula, umuntu omnyama. Uma ufuna ukubona umuntu ohleze banjumbuzi, umuntu omnyama. Amathele agcwele abantu abamnyama. Kwenzakalanga nezoloba bomkhulu. Elanda baphila kahle. Nala baphila kahle. Angishumayela inzondo, ngishumayela iqiniso. Nomlando wenzeka la ukhandwanga ukhalile. Nangalifika linje. Okwami ngifika ukuthi kushintshe. Izoshintsha mina nawe. Before we die, we must make sure that we live like other humans again. That is fully understandable. That is fully becoming age. We cannot accept a situation whereby a dog of a white person is on medical aid, yet I don't have a medical aid as a human being. You cannot afford a situation whereby a dog of a white person has 3 meals a day, yet I don't have a single meal a day. The only meal I eat is eat with an Apollo on it. Then you expect me not to be angry. Comrades, inkantolo ikhiphe isinqumo. Ngiyafuna ngiqoqele indaba. Yazi basishizwa yini? ayesaba amagwala kuthe amagwala Orlando ubaba lo onekhala ekusha efana nelambuthela mlihle ngelayo wabiza umngane wakhe uZondo babanga nathi ngiyakwazi lokho wambizela ebar lapha eStellenbosch unebhayili bathi wayini labanikwa umngane wabo omhlophe ubili uHandrubert wathi wena le ndoda le ayingangeni eParliament usasa kuyasa sibona stadium sasa musa nje simba le ndoda yakaNamalanga ingaye eParliament ngoba uma le ndoda yaye eParliament mina nawe siyethele khona manje mawuhlakaniphile nawe ucathi uZondo bengawusebenzisa ngempela umthetho ngoba ngoqondo wabo omncane bacabanga ukuthi mabethi uNamalanga ngeke azangene eParliament sizoyeka ukumvotela ngoba amaphosa abazahle wathola namadola engaphansi kombhede kwathi nje kenqeni ivoti lokugcina kwathiwa MK winile amavena abheke kuye ayomlando obhekise ubabi Namalala unestrength sokushesha tongo ngiyobe ngimthibile kanti baba ngeke sebulethi manje ngeke sebulethi akhoba uniform kancane nje khona lethi ngiyophusha amaveni ngihamba phambili ukuthi awamlande kana ngosini ngaza eLondon sifuna ngazonke ukubona ngalawa siLondon so comrades their reaction yokuthi usuma akazangena eParliament it's a reaction because bafuna singayivoteli MK comrades iMK soyivotela bayathanda abathandi ngoba uzuzuma ahole izwe akadingi ukuyoshintsha ibhenji lapha engathumela ngisho isifungulu asitshela ukuthi ambosayina lokho usayine lokho osha lokho ubophe lokho amanga asalande enkandla sefana comrades ningasabi comrades ningasabi lesafuna sisho lutho it's the last kick of a dying donkey not of a dying horse a last kick of a dying donkey ningasabi comrades history is on our side the ancestors is on our side all of them are on our side you just need to believe that this is your vote nothing can stop this revolution was interpreted by our forefathers ours is just to implement it exactly as it is victory is certain you must never retreat you must never surrender because victory is within the reach
For the second time, because we've been coming here and we know what the land is a recent person. And Kaunda does not own and even though 260 appears in the application, it does not come and receive. And it comes out of the body who says, about but we're going to read it to him, but have I asked them when they want it? Say, yeah, do the much to me.
Amanda, sesothetela ukombethi ukitana asifundele imedia statement.
It's a media statement with the heading MK Party not deterred by the flawed and conflicted Constitutional Court judgment. The MK Party acknowledges the recent judgment handed down by the Constitutional Court, which ruled that President Jacob Zuma is not eligible to stand as a member of the MK Party in the National Assembly. This unsurprising decision, while disappointing, has not disheartened us. Instead, it has reinforced our conviction that the current system, where just 10 unelected individuals can make lifetime decisions for 62 million people. This is fundamentally flawed. Worse still, in this current case, 6 of the 10 judges were glaringly conflicted, raising serious questions about their refusal to recuse themselves. However, we are not deterred. If anything, the People's Mandate rally has demonstrated that South Africans from all walks of life love the MK Party and President Zuma, and that a 2/3 majority is the reality. We want to assure our members, supporters and all South Africans that we remain steadfast and undeterred by the enemies of the poor, whether they may be in robes or acting as agents of white monopoly capital. President Zuma continues to lead the MK Party and will appear on the ballot paper. Furthermore, he will be reinstated into the union buildings to lead the country once we secure a 2/3 majority, which is becoming increasingly obvious daily. Hence, the fear amongst the enemies of the poor black people. No efforts by the Ramaphosa-led ANC or any compromised judges will hinder this mission. Our resolve is further strengthened by the overwhelming support we have received from South Africans nationwide through messages and calls that this decision has only intensified their determination to vote for the MK Party in order to achieve a 2/3 majority, which will enable us to transition from a constitutional democracy to a parliamentary system, where the majority will determine the nation's direction as opposed to the often 10 highly compromised and conflicted individuals. We call for calm among our people and emphasize the importance of maintaining focus and unity while urging everyone to remain dedicated to giving the MK Party and President Zuma a well-deserved 2/3 majority. This heavily flawed and conflicted judgment is not the end, but rather a very pivotal moment affirming the MK Party's victory. Memorandum to the Electoral Commission of South Africa from the Umkhonto we Sizwe Party eThekwini region. Subject: the injustices suffered by President Jacob Zuma. We express so much disappointment that the actions of the Independent Electoral Commission to block Mr. Jacob Zuma from contesting as the presidential candidate for the Umkhonto we Sizwe Party in the upcoming elections on 29 May 2024. We note that the interpretation of Section 27 was to ensure that President Jacob Zuma does not stand as a candidate in these elections. Equality is one of the human rights that have been violated in South Africa, where Section 9 of the Constitution guarantees the rights of equality for all. Therefore, our President has been subjected to unfair treatment and unequal treatment by the system. President Zuma is not a criminal, but was incriminated. He was never convicted for breaking any law. He was jailed as a freedom fighter in Robben Island by the National Party. Now, he has been jailed by the ANC without a trial. The administrative action as entrenched in the Bill of Rights guarantees that everyone is entitled to an administrative action that is reasonable, lawful, and administratively fair. It is disheartening that this administrative action has been violated, more particularly to our President, Mr. Jacob Zuma, and the poor South Africans at large. According to Karl Marx, the dominant class will subject the subordinate class to its interests, and consequently, the class conflict will arise. We demand that justice should be served to all South Africans, irrespective of class. The MK Party is fighting for a 2/3 majority, and it is proven that we will achieve this, and thus changing the spheres of government, namely the judiciary, executive, and legislature. In our view, the IEC has failed dismally to serve on its mandate of ensuring a free and fair election. The IEC administration, in preparation for the election, has been grossly inefficient, unfair, and dissatisfactory to us as the MK Party. Ends.
Why sign now? Why sign now?
Why sign now? Why sign now? Why sign now? Why sign now? Why sign now?
Why sign now? Why sign now?
Why sign now? Why sign now? Why sign now? Why sign now? Why sign now? Why sign now? Why sign now? Why sign now? Why sign now? Why sign now? Why sign now? Why sign now? Why sign now? Why sign now? Why sign now? Why sign now? Why sign now? Why sign now? Why sign now? Why sign now? Why sign now? Why sign now? Why sign now? Why say now? Amanda! Viva Mkondo, viva! Viva Mjolosi, viva! Sihole Mjolosi, sihole! Tigikela Mkondo, tigikela! Begezela mtani kwenye mke, begezela! Begezela mfundi kwenye mke, begezela! Begezela msemezi kwenye mke, begezela! Gibigele kwenye zomila, tunisogara tubani. Election manager. High discipline. Comrades, strong issues, but before you see, you think is a pambi. This woman, seafood and I know over. It's about me, comrades. I'm leading it, but we did that I fasting. It's only about people years now. I was going to know two other provinces that are family. Before I, Congress, we have also been to very memorandum each over there, from Umpotosis party, jointly, Umpotosis party group league, SMU protest, convene, and Pohan send number yake uzokubona nhle ube kwisokibane lweni to umkhandlu wethe municipality memorandum of demand we the citizens supporters when we shall support the Sizwe party and the Sizwe party UP in Esewi and residents of the city of Durban under Esewi municipality is led by the level of service delivered from Esewi municipality and seemingly deliberately destruction and sabotage of municipal infrastructure, asset resources gathered here today as we did on the 1st of March 2024 to declare again the non-existence and standard and healthcare service delivered. Our previous demands updates require where, number one, water. Water is human right, yet residents in the city are still left for days, weeks, months without water and are deprived of water, preventing them from performing even the most basic human needs like bathing, drinking, cooking and cleaning. Point number two, electricity. Durban streets are still dark. Durban is plagued by load shedding. Number three, sewer. There is still sewer outflow in certain parts of the city. Sewer even flow into potholes. When sewer infrastructure is damaged, the repair of staff is left unattended. Drains and stormwater infrastructure are blocked. Number three, point one,
Safety and security. Amapara has taken over the CPD and still run the CPD. Certain areas within the CPD have become heavens for Amapara. Point number 4, roads, potholes still blocks and dominate the roads across the city. Roads are still not marked. Speed humps have no marking. Number 5, billing. The billing system continues to be flawed. Number 6, municipal operations. The city still has a high vacancy rate. The municipality must be on par with other municipalities. Number 7, cleanliness. Parks, potholes, malls, refuse collection remain inconsistent. Parks are still not maintained. Grass is still not cut. Number 8, businesses. Businesses confident in the city remains at the rock bottom. Certain parts of shop sell fake and expired goods. Number 9, tourism. Durban is a tourism city. The tourist attraction has been neglected. Number 10, high-tech buildings. Buildings remain vandalized and derelict in the city CPD, resulting in crime, prostitute, and illegal substance abuse. Comrades, new demands. What demands are martial? Number 11, shortlisting, recruitment, appointment of Metropolis officers. Metropolis recruitment is less without corruption. This includes councillors giving lists of names of political persons and members from the political party for shortlisting and appointment. The demands of bribes during the fitness and either physiometric test by Metropolis trainers include Metropolis human capital personnel remains rampant. It remains bizarre how Metropolis appointment contracts are signed at night. How there are new appointments who join along the way of recruitment process who were never seen at the earlier stage of the recruitment process. How there are Metropolis officers who are over 35 when the recruitment for employment for Metropolis is 18 and 35. How there are officers with tattoos that are visible in uniform, and how there are pregnant females who are appointed as officers. We demand a fair, open, transparent Metropolis recruitment process. All unfair labor practice is there relates to the recruitment and appointment of Metropolis officers. Today is with immediate effect. An investigation into the entire Metropolis recruitment process still as far back as possible. A moratorium to be placed on Metropolis recruitment until third-party independent investigation and audit is done and made public. The new appointees who are over 25 to have their appointment overturned. Far an audit of appointees who do not possess even their term as criminal record are pregnant and have tattoos that are visible in the police uniform. Number 12, municipal traders. Municipal traders have not received the permits to trade, specifically those occupying the workshop market. They find themselves with expired lease and face unwarranted threats and confiscation of the goods by Durban Metropolis. We demand all traders throughout the city to receive the permits to trade. All traders throughout the city to receive the leases for an end to economic abuse, for an end to abuse by city law enforcement personnel, including business support, tourism, market, unit, officials, Durban Metropolis officers. Number 13, electricity. Electricity connects have been paid for since 2021. Yes, they are not connected by a department. We demand all pay for electricity connections to be installed with immediate effect. Number 14, pollution blocks, public toilets throughout the city. Pollution blocks, public toilets across the city are dysfunctional and not maintained, especially after COVID lockdowns. These facilities also do not have soap, toilet rolls, and even running water. Waste is a makeshift pollution facilities created for use as the actual public toilet is not functional and thus goes shut. Moreover, the stench of urine in the city is absolutely unreliable. We demand all pollution blocks, public toilets be fixed and functional, open and maintained. Precisely those in and around the city center, as well as scholars, markets, pollution blocks, as Mansell Road Market, soap, toilet roll, running water, all pollution blocks, public toilet. We make this demand on behalf of the residents of Durban who daily suffer from such service delivery failures and inequality of Ethereum municipality. Umphatha wesizwe phansi eThekwini region, joined umphatha wesizwe party eThekwini region, expected response to all these demands within 14 days. We have faith in the commitment to promptly and effectively address these concerns for the betterment of Durban residents. Amanda! Umangengalo comrade, thina ibase yabakhipha. Why sign?
Umkhonto wesizwe Youth League ububambe imashi yohambisa izikhalazo kumasipala weTheku.